I'm really not all that concerned or surprised by it. We've seen this market continue to trend higher lows and higher highs. And we've been talking about this for the better part of the last month to 2 months. We talked about the fund participation and how they've been involved in essentially every other commodity sector but the livestock sector. And we expect to see that participation continue to ramp up. And we've seen that play out technically in these charts. Look at the live cattle contract. We continue to make new highs, and that carries over also to the lean hog market.
Also, look farther out the curve with the backwardation. Get some cheaper levels farther out. December's closer to $54 on a pullback. We get some really good value there. And then for the metals, we're seeing gold run into a big area of resistance, trading near 1850. 1854 is major 3-star resistance.
Thanks, Judge. Oil has been in a downtrend since 2008. That's no secret. But last year, that was a capitulation defined by the volume. We've seen a huge tailwind higher. Now, I do think this inflation showing up. We're seeing the policies in the White House also bring a tailwind. Right now, though, we are at some resistance at $60, so don't chase it. But I think there's a big downtrend since 2008 that we are about to break out above. And I think, too, you can look at this as being a pullback, as a buying opportunity. The backwardation in the contracts mean the farther out months are trading lower. Look at December's trading closer to $54. Wait for a pullback. You can position farther out in the curve, and you can then ride what could be a breakout to 7-year highs. We could see
Oliver Sloat, Blue Line Futures, and say hello to him today. Oliver, thank you very much for joining us.
Parabolic pigs can fly. We found that out here recently. We've been pretty optimistic on the livestock market. Really at the end of last year and beginning of this year, and you've heard us say the back of our thesis really being fund participation ramping up in the livestock markets, and we've seen that in the live cattle and lean hog markets, and we expect that to continue going forward.